JDCap26 here, just do tips and peers and hobbies. And I hope you guys are doing good today. And we've got the Haunted Manor Flight of the Vampire all painted up. And we'll show you that next. So here he is, all painted up. And his arms, well, his arms don't work, but they do go up and down. But I got the cape glued on. That cape is made of plastic, by the way. And it's very delicate. I don't know, it'd probably snap off if you use the mechanism in the back after a while, if you do get it, the arms to fold down. But I like it just as a static model. I think it came out pretty good, and I hope you like the paint job on it. And please rate, subscribe, and give me the thumbs up. And other models coming soon, and I'm in repairs when I have them. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.